Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I am at Fuse here in San Jose, California in our kitchen. Today we're gonna talk about the hard water. I'm not sure if you guys know, we get hard water in our faucets. You might think it's clean, but it's not. Yeah, it could be clean, but it has so many different bad components that I'm gonna tell you now and you might not be happy about it. Let me give you some data, some stats. So the water hardness is one of the most common water quality concerns reported by consumers in the United States. 90% of the water that we get is actually hard. So you get some other components flowing in that's not your water and you put it on like inside your body, on your face, on your hands. There is a calcium in there, there is a magnesium minerals, and those things are harmful. So let's say if you use it daily, you will see there is a chlorine and metal taste in your drinking water. Some people doesn't have any systems installed, they probably doesn't know what's the difference it makes. They never tried the water without it, without the filters and with filters. So you're not sure, you might be fine with it, but it's not good for your health, not good for your body. I'll talk about some scary stuff here. For instance, kidney stones. Many people have problems with the kidney stones. The hard water gonna make things even worse. It's gonna increase kidney stones and cause more problems with that. So kidney stones is one huge thing that you might suffer from. Dry skin irritation. You wash your hands become dry. Wash your face, it's more dry. All of the equipment, it's gonna have some buildup of the calcium and magnesium. Some dishes, they would have some stains or something, so all of that stuff. There were some studies, it gets to the point that some children even have like an eczema from, that's being linked to the hard water. So it have all sorts of things that not good. We at Fuse, we always have a solution for all the problems you have. And I'm gonna show it to you right now. So it's called the reverse osmosis filter. So there are like some pre-filters and after filters. So some of the filters, they remove all those minerals, all the chemicals that take them out. Further filters, they polish the water so it's more enjoyable to drink, it's more tasty. Very good equipment, it's not expensive. We can come out and do the installation. So the installation labor is only $250 and it takes, I don't know, maybe 1 or 2 hours to do it. It usually goes under the sink right here. We have a coffee machine, so water goes inside the coffee machine and it's already clean without any chemicals. We don't want that. So after installation, what else is good here is you can have a separate dedicated faucet. So this is regular faucet to clean the dishes and stuff, and this is for the drinking water. Next I want to show you this one right here. So we have a fridge. The water line is also connected to the fridge. So the ice maker machine and the water that comes here also would be without any chemicals. So you remove all the chemicals from your kitchen. Please consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we have so much cool and useful information that we post non-stop. Thank you.